So Dad's going to do a test run here on the Johannson Bombardier. He did one the other day. I wasn't here when he did it, but he didn't like the brakes, so he parked it. And he worked on the brakes a little bit, and then now it's the next test run. Touchy on the gas pedal. A little bit of deep snow here. Testing the brakes.
Okay, I see what the trouble is. It's got too much spring in here. See how it's pushing it back?
Okay.
Right there.
Yeah.
This is going back. See?
Yeah, I see it.
So I have to put a brace across here because in reverse works perfect. See?
Yeah.
So I'll probably put a brace from there to that one, and that'll cure things. We're charging at 14 amps.
Yeah.
And the RPM is at 800. This thing here, this computer, you press it and it gives you different readings, timing, fuel pressure ratio. It also gives you engine temperature. Uh, 13.2. That's how much it's charging. There's the temperature of the motor right now, 129 degrees Fahrenheit, and the battery's at 11.9 or 12, and the RPM is 873.
Okay.
So if he leaves it on here, everything he wants to know, temperature, RPM, and everything's on it.
So we just got this area cleaned out the other day. Dad's just going to probably make a turn around here. So I'm going to get out here and I'm going to watch Dad do a couple turns around the yard. So again, this is Johannson Bombardier test run. Dad's already done one test run, but he wanted to test the brake a bit more. Feels like there's a bit of movement on the brackets there. He's probably going to reinforce the one bracket. So he's going to just boot around the yard here, and he's coming around the corner here again. So just a quick once around the yard, and then we're going to keep on doing test runs until Dad's satisfied, and then the customer is going to do a test run as well. So we just parked on the side of the shop here, and we got to move the other Bombardier out of the shop, and then this one's going back in. Saying that he's going to move it back into the shop and put a bracket on, and then he thinks he's good to go. Got the new floor ready as well. So Dad's just backing up the Johannson Bombardier. He's got to bring it back into the shop.